I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of Matthew, chapter 19 and verse 26. Jesus is speaking here. It says, "But Jesus looked at them and said to them, with men this is impossible, but with God all things are possible." This is when Jesus was speaking to the rich man and said to him to give up what he has and follow him. But that rich man walked away sorrowful because he had many riches. But then in verse 26, Jesus was speaking to his disciples, and Jesus said to them, with men this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. My brother, my sister, what is impossible in your life today? What is impossible that men have said to you it is impossible? My brother, my sister, whatever situation you're finding yourself in today, it might be with people impossible. People might have said to you, it's impossible for you to be healed. It's impossible for you to get off drugs. It's impossible for you to come through the storm and the situation that you're facing in your life today. Jesus says with men it will be impossible, but with God all things are possible. Mark chapter 9 and verse 23, Jesus says, if you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes. The Lord Jesus Christ is saying to you and I this morning that if we can only believe, all things are going to be possible for us. With God, it's possible. With this world, it is impossible. But with God, all things are possible. And if you can only believe that God can set you free, that God can heal you, it will be possible for you, my brother and my sister. It says in Jeremiah chapter 32 and verse 17, it says, you have made the heavens and the earth by your great power and outstretched arm. There is nothing too hard for you. Nothing is too hard for the Lord Jesus Christ, my brother, my sister. Nothing is too hard for God. Whatever you are facing and going through in your life today, my brother, my sister, nothing is too hard for the Lord Jesus Christ. Luke chapter 1 and verse 37, it says, for with God, nothing will be impossible. Nothing will be impossible with God.